Welcome back, people. I'm back with another video, and this video is about semi-freeform locks. And we'll be using vitamin E oil, rose water, and castor oil.
Nobody no fi cry over me dead. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a...
So these are semi-freeform locks. They didn't start out that way, but that's how they eventually ended up. These were started in October 2011, so it's been a long time growing.
Me a take plain like JUTC when you see me, it's on TV, shows after shows after shows after shows.
Now today I'll be cleaning his locks for him. I'm giving a good shampoo and oiling his scalp and also conditioning his locks.
Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh. Look at me now.
I think these locks are some of the most beautiful locks I've ever seen. I love the intricate detail. I love the way the roots are thick. Now this one's a 3-headed dragon. And as you can see toward the end or the tip, the texture looks a little bit different. He was doing interlocking. Well, he started out with 2-strand twist and then moved on to doing interlocking. See the difference there? I think that's beautiful. And then the further up you go, you can see the change, the difference in the texture of the lock itself. His roots are very thick, very healthy hair. I love it.
From Trenchtown, our next star rise again. Look at me now, when them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh. Look at me now. Look at me now.
Now we are going to shampoo his hair and we'll be back. Now this is post shampoo and it took about 20-25 minutes to get a really good shampoo and wash going. Sea salt, lemon juice, baking soda, and the water was very hot. We let it sit in the water for a little while and then we proceeded to shampoo. So we towel dried the locks and then we spritzed them down with rose water mixed with the vitamin E oil. I then oiled his roots and scalp with castor oil.
All of my goal is to reach my goal. Live a happy life, put it on me headstone. Nobody no fi cry over me dead. Look at me now.
And I don't know if you can tell, but I really love examining these locks and looking at them, all the intricate beauty. I don't know, maybe it's just me.
Look at me now.
His hair is now cleaner than it was before, and it smells amazing. He's not interested in having his hair retwisted, and he's not obsessed with neatness. Just having clean, healthy hair and beautiful locks. I'd like to thank my son for letting me display his beautiful locks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.